So dynamic realm manufacturing really is, if your system goes down for seconds in automotive, you can be spending thousands, losing thousands. So embracing change is not an option. It's a strategic imperative today. Whether it's integrating smart manufacturing with agile approaches, adopting digital manufacturing and execution, or just navigating the challenges of mindset shifts in the industry for technology area. I've got 4 or 5 that stand out for me. One, start small, empower, and scale fast. Begin with manageable steps, build confidence, and then amplify. The start small, empower, scale fast mantra has to be your compass, number one. Number two, balance quality and speed. Striking the right balance between quality and speed in MES or manufacturing operations management transformation is crucial. 3, mindset. Cultivate a mindset that embraces change, innovation, and collaborative thinking. And then 4th, digital manufacturing and execution magic. Digital twins, real-time adjustments, and vision-driven approaches define the significance of digital manufacturing and execution. It's not just technology, it really is a strategic shift and journey. And so I guess the last single most valuable piece of advice I would give to your listeners navigating the manufacturing journey would be this: be bold in embracing change. The manufacturing landscape is evolving rapidly, and those who dare to innovate, learn from failures, and continuously adapt will not only survive, but will thrive in this transformative era. It's not about keeping pace. It's not about standing still, because that's going backwards. It's about leading the way. So embrace change with courage, focus, and remember the journey is as important as the destination. Best of luck to everybody who goes on that journey.